Hello guys, welcome to Public Health Talk series. I am Dr. Bidmus. On this week's show, we will be discussing the importance of educating children and young adults on COVID-19. As we're fully aware, coronavirus is a serious and challenging public health issue that has left thousands dead and thousands sickened worldwide. As I have mentioned in earlier videos, prevention is key. I can't stress that enough. Prevention is key, and that includes practicing social distancing, staying home, washing hands for at least 20 seconds, and sneezing and coughing on your sleeve to avoid the spread of the virus. Now, imagine yourself as a child or young adult home from school indefinitely and being asked to practice all these preventive measures. Wouldn't you be confused, frustrated, irritated by a sudden change in normal or stopped activities? Think about it for a second. I believe you would. This leads to my talk. As adults, it is essential to have open conversation with these young folks about COVID-19. Historically speaking, children and young adults have proven to be great contributors when given the opportunity. Now, here are some tips that I think can be used when having the conversation with your children. Number one, in a layman's term, help them understand what coronavirus is. Do you even know what coronavirus is? Educate yourself. Give them facts and help them understand what is going on in manners that they can comprehend that the world is in crisis and it takes everyone to help stop the spread of the virus. Let them understand. Get reliable information and let them understand that the gravity of what is going on. I'm not saying you should scare them, but let them understand that the world is in a crisis. Number three, educate them on how to constantly practice preventive measures. You have to keep emphasizing this. Remind them constantly. Educate them. For example, hand washing, at least 20 seconds. Tell them to sing Happy Birthday song in their minds 2 times. So this is actually washing hands properly. Number four, help them understand why schools and cities are on lockdown. It is important to let them know they're home. Everywhere is locked down. This alone can be stressful. It is stressful for adults, talk less of children. So let them understand the reason why schools and cities are on lockdown. That means why we should all stay home. Number five, engage them in helping to come up with activities for the family. What I mean by this is that everyone is working from home, or some people are working from home, and most of their kids are doing homeschooling. After the day's work, let them take turns to come up with family activities at the end of the day, so everybody can come together and partake in the activities. So if one person does it today, for example, the other person can pick up the activities the next day and so on. Doing this will not only give them a sense of belonging or purpose, I believe it will help them to be wanting to do their part to help stop the spread of the virus. During this challenging time, we all have a role to play in helping to stop the virus. And one of the many ways we can do this is by including children and young adults in the conversation. And this is quite important because you never know the ideas that they may have in helping even the adults to help with the situation. We should not downplay their role because we are all in this together. If you don't educate your children about COVID-19, there's always social media where there's a good chance that they will get misinformed on what is going on. So let them hear it from you. Wouldn't you want that? Create an atmosphere where they can always talk with you about anything. I'll also stress the importance of getting reliable information from these organizations. WHO, the CDC, and Johns Hopkins University. Next time, we will discuss childhood obesity during COVID-19 pandemic. Until then, stay safe, stay positive.